Shifaq. I'm a physiotherapist, a STOTT Pilates instructor, as well as a Rehab Pilates instructor. Have you ever heard of the term muscle imbalance? When we were a kid, we used to be taught of using our right and left hand accordingly. For example, we are taught to picking up meals and writing by using our right hand. This will then develop a more dominant side, which refers to a side that is stronger, maybe more coordinate, more muscular, and more toned up. Likewise, not only our hands, but the whole area of our body has a dominant side too. If you look closely in your daily activities, you may notice you have a preferred side of limb to do things such as climbing up the first staircase, or a preferred side arm to lift heavy grocery bags, and even a preferred side to lie down and sleep. And sometimes, it can also be a past injury that causes one side of our body becomes weaker than the other too, which causes you to use a side more than the other. Fret not, stay with us until the end of the video to see what exercises you can do in order to give equal amount of love for the both sides of the body. Previously on this topic, we already worked more on the trunk muscles, mainly the obliques. This time around, you're going to focus more on the lower part of the muscles in your body, that is your gluteal loops. These muscles are important for a proper pelvic alignment in order to have a more symmetric posture. It also helps in propulsion during running and even single limb stance during walking. Having equally strong glutes also help to support the lower back efficiently during lifting motions and prevent knee injuries due to muscle imbalance. If you like this video, please click the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notification for more videos like this. If you have any question, please comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Feel free to reach out to us through WhatsApp number at the link below and schedule a complimentary consultation trial with us. Thank you and see you soon! I hope that explanation does give you a new information and awareness. Now I'm passing this video over to my friend Bella. She will guide you through the exercises that you can do.
Thank you, Shifaq, for sharing with us with such a useful information. Hi, my name is Nabilah. I'm a physiotherapist and also STOTT Pilates instructor. Okay, as Shifaq has mentioned, this video is a progression from the previous video. So if you missed out the previous video, you're always welcome to our channel and try out those exercises that works on your obliques. Right? So now let's move on to our exercises now. Let's go.
We're going to start with the exercise called single leg shoulder bridge. Lie down with spine and pelvis in neutral. Separate your legs hip distance apart, keeping your heel close to your bum. Lift up one leg into tabletop position, which is a 90-90 degree. Now, while maintaining a neutral alignment of your spine and your pelvis, inhale, you're going to stay here. Exhale, you're going to lift your hip off the mat. Inhale to stay up, and exhale, lower down your hip, slowly with control. Now let's do for number 2. Inhale here, exhale, lift up. Now make sure you don't drop your other side of your pelvis. Keep it aligned and also make sure you don't arch your back here. Keep your core engaged. It's a pure glutes maximal engagement here, which is your bum muscle. Now let's go for number 3. Exhale, you're gonna come up and you're gonna lower down slowly. For number 4, inhale here, exhale, come up. Think of shooting your knees over your toes to get a better hamstring engagement here. For number 5, the other knees pointed towards the ceiling. For number 6, you're doing good here, almost finishing here. For number 7, inhale and exhale, come up. You should feel your right bum and your right hamstring are working hard right now. Let's go for number 9, last 2 here. Exhale. Very good, and one last one. Come up. Exhale, lower down. Lower down your legs and don't forget to do on the other side before moving on to the next exercise. Next exercise is called single leg extension. You're going to lie down face down, put your hand underneath your forehead, loosen up your shoulder, and you're going to separate your legs hip distance apart or slightly wider. Shine the knees facing outwards. While maintaining a neutral spine and pelvis position, you're going to inhale to prepare. Keep your legs long and straight. Exhale, you're going to lift up your whole leg using your bum muscles. Good. Go for number 2. Make sure that as you do this exercise, you are not arching your back. Engage your core muscles to stabilize, yeah? Go for number 5. Very good. Halfway there, you're doing good here. You should feel your back bum muscle, which is your gluteus maximus, working hard to lift up your leg. Last 2. And one last one. Exhale, lift it up and lower down. Don't forget to do it on the other side before you push yourself up into a shell stretch position, which is a recovery position for your back. Good. The third exercise is called side bend exercises. So we're going to start off by hooking the top leg ankle with bottom leg ankle. And you're going to shift your body weight forward so that you'll be sitting directly on top of your bottom hip bone. Push your ribcage up, don't let it collapse downwards, and engage your core muscles to avoid any flaring out of the ribcage. Hands and ankle in one line, the other hand just place it above the top knee. Now, whenever you're ready, inhale, you're going to prepare here. Exhale, you're going to lift your hip up and forward. So make sure your knee stays intact with the mat. So as you lift up your hip up, you're using your side bum, and when you push forward, you're going to use your back bum there. And come down. Avoid from your sudden dropping. Control your landing. Go for number 2. Make sure you maintain the lengthening throughout the movement. For number 3, always stabilize your shoulder and scapula as you push yourself up. Number 4, avoid arching your back. You're using your bum muscles only. Yeah? Now you can fix your position if you feel that you're going out of it. As you go, imagine yourself as a rainbow, creating an inverted U shape over here. Last 4 to go. For number 7, you should feel your bum muscles working here. For number 8, you're doing good there, almost there. Last 2 for me. Gaze stays forward, and one last one. Good job. Lower down, and you're going to do on the other side before continuing. The fourth exercise is called top hip abduction. You're going to be inside elbow plank position. Place your shoulder above your elbow, should be in one line. Avoid from putting it too far or too close to your body. Yeah? Find your position first. For your bottom knee, you can bend it to find a better stability. Keep your top leg straight long. Make sure you lift up your hip off the mat and keeping your rib cage up and not collapsing downwards. Now inhale to prepare, exhale, lift up your top leg up. For number 2, now make sure that your top knees stay pointing forward at all times. Stabilize your scapula and your shoulder. You're gonna feel your side bum muscles working here, yeah? Last 3 to go. Last 2, and one last one, and good. Finally, for our last exercise, we are going to do squat kickback. So you're going to stand facing forward. Make sure your legs is separated wider than hip distance apart, pointing 45 degrees upwards. Hands placed forward. Inhale, you're going to squat down. Make sure that your knees doesn't go over your toes. As you exhale, you're going to come up and kick one leg towards the back. Going to repeat on the same side. Go for number 2. And go for number 3. Make sure that you don't arch your back as you kick backwards. Number 4. For number 5. Very good there, halfway to go. Number 6. Make sure that you feel your bum muscles are working over here, yeah? And 7. Last 3 to go. Don't forget that you have another side to finish before you finish up with your cool down, yeah? And one last one. Squat down, come up, and kick back. You're done for the day. Thank you. Good job, guys, on completing the exercises. Thank you for watching. Feel free to watch the other videos for various workouts.